Hello, Simple Tech Buzz. I want to take a quick first look at unboxing of the Doro A30, Aurora A30. Recently just launched the A20 and the A10 along with this, and it's their latest of devices to their smartphone portfolio, which is really good and nice to see. And this one is the top of the range one, and Doro Easy Interface, secure button and clear sound. That's it there. On the back, simple to use, customize your apps are displayed, and we'll go through all that in another video of the UI and the whole lot. And secure button, contact responders in an emergency with the press of a button. So that's pretty much it. This is how it's going to look if you pick it up in store. So let's get it out and see what it looks like. Take off these tabs. Alright, and we have got Doro, Swedish company, up here on the top. Right, does this slide out here? Nope, so it must come out through the top. And out you get. It's very tightly packed. So that's it there. You can see Aurora, enjoy your easy to use smartphone in there, and the Doro logo up top here. So what do we get in here? So we get a nice lengthy USB-C cable. Get that there, which no one will be reading, and your quick start guide here. So do hang on to that, but we'll be going through all the stuff anyway in another video. But this is just a quick first look at unboxing of the phone to show you what it looks like in the flesh. And here we go. This is it here. So you can see you got your 3 buttons on the bottom here, nice and tactile with the Doro branding. Front facing camera up top. There's a 50 megapixel camera on the back. Here is your button here. So that's your secure button, and you've got a mic there, volume toggles here, SIM tray in the bottom, USB-C, and a speaker on the back there. And that's pretty much it, and that's what it looks like there. I'll give you a close-up of those cameras. They're not going to be an issue really here. They're kind of flat, which is good, and you can see the buttons are slightly raised on all sides there, which is pretty nice. So let's see if there's any juice inside. And we have some juice there, and here's what the opening screen looks like. Powered by Android. And that's pretty much it so far. We can see here the screen actually starts here. Down here is where your buttons are, which are nice and tactile. And that's it there, let's say. And that's as far as we're going to get on that. So this is just a quick first look and unboxing of the device itself. Next video we'll look at the UI and how it works, and then we'll take photographs with it as well and videos to see how the camera performance is, and then how the rest of the device is for ease of use. So we'll just go into English there and put that in. So you got vision settings here on the startup here. So you got your display text and size, which is self-explanatory, which comes on all phones, as you can see there, like that. And we'll go into start, and you're going to go in here. So we might as well go through this here while we're here. So at the bottom of the left of your screen there's an arrow. That's the back key, and tap it and go back to the screen you were on before. So that's it there, as you can see. And this is your first time using a smartphone. So what we'll do is here we will go as I've already used one. So you've got different options there. And set up all your vision accessibility parameters now, or find them later in settings. So you got your vision settings here, which we've checked out already. Are you colourblind? No. Do you prefer having a dark background instead of a white one? I wanted to invert. Yes. So that's the vision settings done in there. Audio settings. The volume level is set to high. You can always change in your settings. Got it. Do you normally use a hearing aid? And I do know people who use hearing aids with phones, and I am not at the moment. Do you want an optimized sound during voice calls? So you've got these two options here. So we'll do that. And do you hear better in one or the other? And we'll just say no, hearing's fine on both. So that's your audio settings done. And then into touch detail, just tap on each targets displayed below until they disappear. And got it. So that basically takes you through that initial setup here. You see your battery percentage up on top. And in here then we go and connect to the Wi-Fi, and then we'll get it set up from there, and we'll take a further look on from there. So stay tuned for more. And that's just a quick first look and unboxing and run through what you're going to get when you do start your device up from Doro, which is the new Aurora A30. Any questions, do feel free to drop them below, and we'll speak to you soon.